lucky enough to have Oliver Sloup join us today from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, lots happening in our markets, lots happening outside of our markets. What does this all shape up to you?
Well, the grain markets have had a lot of reasons to rally here over the last week, from the USDA report to crop conditions to weather, et cetera, and it hasn't been able to, and that is a big caution flag and is what we refer to as a fundamental rejection. It means the market's trying to tell us that there's a lot of other factors at play. One of the bigger factors that we're keeping a close eye on is the continued uptrend in the U.S. dollar. We're making new highs for the move again today. We've been marking higher lows and higher highs, so the trend there is up, and that's naturally going to pressure a lot of commodities. And on top of that, it's just a lot of outside market money flow going on as well, as you had mentioned. We're kind of on shaky ground in the outside markets, and that leads into a risk-off trade, which has certainly bled into the grain markets here in today's session.
Yeah, I don't think there's a better example about how what the Fed can say affect our market, even though the Fed's got nothing to do with our market, right? I mean, they've said that they're going to taper, which means less bond purchases, which means bonds would probably trade lower, and then bonds go lower, interest rates go higher. Interest rates go higher, that makes that dollar stronger, like you just said, Oliver. And this whole cascade of events takes place once the Fed says that they're going to do something monetarily. So it's a great example about how other things can affect what we do here on a day-to-day basis. All right, that was a mouthful. Thank you, Oliver. We're going to stay right there. We're going to be right back. We're going to go away, pay some bills. We'll come back and talk livestock with Oliver Sloup after these messages.